Okay, so hi guys. Some of us were a little confused about the homework tonight and trying to graph a pyramid. So on my screen, I have uh, over here the United States um, population, and right here I have a graph. So it starts down here at the bottom, and there's a real faint line for 0 to 4. And the bottom here are your percentage numbers. So we start in the middle at 0 and we work our way out for the males. And then we start at 0 and we work our way out to the right for female. So we will take a look here for 0 to 4 in the United States. There are 10,334 males that are aged 0 to 4. And we're looking for the percentages when we're trying to graph this because that's what um, your x axis is asking for. So we are going to graph 3.5% for 0 to 4 because 10,334 is 3.5% of the total, which is down here. So I will just graph 0 to 4, and you're looking at about, I don't know, right here, 3.5. So that's where I got it. And then 5 to 9, I'm at 3.4, so it really doesn't change much. And at 5 to 9 here, 3.4. And then 10 to 14 is 3.7, so we're kind of getting a little closer to the 4. My dots are a little too big, but I think you're gonna get the point when I'm done here. Then 15 to 19 years of age for a male, 3.7 of the population, so it's the same. And then 20 to 24, 3.6, so it's a little bit different. And then 25 to 29 is 3.4, so we're getting back on the other side of 3.5 at the bottom there. And then 30 to 34, 3.5. And I'm just trying to give you a ballpark here. 35 to 39 is 3.6. And 40 to 44, we're getting a little closer to 4. But I think you get the point. So you'll finish all the way up to 75 on the graph, and you'll see it works its way to 75 plus. So at 75 plus, then you would graph 2.3, which you find the 2 right here, and 75 is up here. So I don't know, somewhere around there. You could use a ruler if you want. But when you're done, you'll have, this side of the pyramid for male, and then you'll have to work your way. You'll see here for female, 9,887 females in 0 to 4, so that's 3.4% of the 293,000. And you'll just start on this side and you'll work your way up, and you'll eventually see the shape of the pyramid. And if you need help trying to figure that out, you can look at lesson 1. There's a graphic on lesson 1 introduction, which has a video. When you click on it, you can learn a little bit more about population pyramids there. And as for question 3, you could view that as a true or false. And go from there. So if anybody else has any questions, just hit me up on Remind and I'll try to answer them. Okay, hope this helps. Thanks.